These webinars are our earnest attempt to bring forward experts in many fields related to children, their health, and education, and also some children who have showcased exemplary performances. We have had webinars with some of the finest pediatric specialists in the last few episodes. But today, in this episode of Joy of Parenting, we have with us Ms. Nutan, who is the mother of a shining star and a child prodigy, Ahan Chaudhary. We are very proud to tell you that he is also a student of class nursery at our school, Angels Paradise Academy. Ahan has been awarded under Young Achiever category by the India Book of Records with an appreciation certificate and a medal for his outstanding memory in reciting multiple objects at the tender age of 3.5 years. India Book of Records is registered with Government of India and recognizes young talent by providing them platforms to showcase their skills. Ahan's performances across 24 categories were recorded and shared with the IBR team, in which they approved the best and niche skills. His performance will be featured in IBR Book of Year 2022. It's a very proud moment for us. A very warm welcome to you, Nutan.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right, so I am Ramya Chandrasekhar. I am the Center Head of Angels Paradise Academy, Amanora, and I'm also the content creator for Uriel Kids Online. Before starting the webinar, it is my privilege to introduce you to Uriel Kids Online. Let me take you through the concept behind Uriel Kids Online through this short video. Let's take a look. Uriel Kids is India's first 24 by 7 preschool where we are passionate about educating young minds to help them explore the world of knowledge and curiosity. Uriel Kids will be launched in UAE in April 2021, followed by a launch in India. Your child can learn anywhere, anytime. Uriel Kids covers a broad spectrum of subjects like phonics, general awareness, mathematics, English, etc., which will ensure all round and holistic learning and development of the child. The courses have been designed by a team of educationists with decades of global experience, and there will be live classes as well. So now that I've explained everything about Uriel Kids, without much ado, I would like to call upon Ms. Nutan to give us an introduction about Ahan's performances and achievements. Over to you, Nutan.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And my special thanks to Angels Paradise Academy, Amanora branch, Sally ma'am, you Ramya ma'am, Yashashri ma'am, everyone for inviting me and for having me here to talk about Aha's journey of learning and sharing my experience. So before I begin, I would like to stress on one point is that every child is unique and so is the parenting style. So there is no standard way or one unique way of, teaching our child anything, that helps our child to develop and excel in his interest area. is right. So, like any other regular parent, even we have used our own techniques, and whatever we thought that Ahan is responding positively, we use those methods, to teach Ahan. So, to start with, I would like to share Ahan's profile with everyone, and there are some videos too, which we submitted as an evidence to India Book of Records. So, I think you will be very happy to look at those videos.
Absolutely.
This is about Ahan. Ahan is currently 3 years, 9 months old. He started his school with Angels Paradise Academy at Amanora branch when he was 2 years, 2 months old. And as Ramya ma'am said that at the age of 3.5 years, he was appreciated by India Book of Records under Young Achiever category for identifying and remembering objects in 25 different areas. So there are a few videos which I want you to share and show how Anne had performed. So this is the video that I'm playing. It's about he's explaining us the shapes in Hindi language.
Triangle is
Tricone.
tricone, and square is
Word.
varg, and rectangle is
Ayat.
ayat, and pentagon is
Panchcone.
panchcone, and hexagon is
Shatcone.
षटकोण, heptagon is
Sapcone.
सप्तकोण, octagon is
Danishcone.
octagon is
Achicone.
अष्टकोण.
Now this is the video that where he is doing his logos.
Tista.
What is this?
Holdana. Google.
Very nice.
McDonald's.
McDonald's,
Facebook.
Facebook,
YouTube.
YouTube,
Microsoft.
Microsoft,
Cisco.
Cisco,
Apple.
Apple,
IBM.
IBM,
Toyota.
Toyota,
Samsung.
Samsung,
Samsung. Food.
Ford,
HP.
HP,
This is the video that I'm going to use alphabets in Spanish.
A, B, C,
Phoenix,
And he's doing his flags.
Australia, Bangladesh, Belgium, Argentina, Australia, Bhutan, Brazil, Canada, China, Denmark, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Malaysia, Nepal, New Zealand, Pakistan, Russia, South Africa, Afghanistan,
So these are the videos that I had to share with you all. So what do you, Ramya ma'am?
Wow, it's really amazing to see this child grow right in front of your eyes. I have seen him from the time he was a little kid, 2.5 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Really amazing and gratifying to see him so well. Very proud of him. All right. So, yes, now over to our question and answer session with
Sure, ma'am.
Ahan Smoke. But before that, I would like to mention to the audience that you could share your comments. If you have any comments or any questions, you can feel free to post it on the comment box and we will try to answer it. All right? Yes. Okay, so for the first question, Nutan, how and when did you realize Ahan's potential?
Um, okay, Ramya ma'am, we actually always believed in early learning. So at the age of 1 itself, we started, um, uh, teaching learning concepts in form of toys, songs, flashcards, books. So at the age of 1.5, when Ahan started talking a little bit, he was actually repeating. He started repeating things that we taught him. But the one minor thing that we observed in him was he learned everything that we taught him in a form of song, which
Okay.
involved music. So that was our first observation that he is learning very quickly if a music is involved. So we started introducing him the another concepts in the form of music. I would create my own songs and I used to sing to him. 2 days I used to continuously sing it to him. Third day Ahan would actually remember that. That's when we found out that his grasping power and his memory is very good. So it was our observation that we understood that okay, he's liking for music. Second, he has a good memory. For example, Gayatri Mantra is something that is every time played at my place. So he picked up Gayatri Mantra. I did not even teach him. He picked up from the song that used to play in the background. So he picked up Gayatri Mantra. He picked up days of the week. So by the when he was 1 year, 8 months old, he picked up everything that we taught in a form of music. And even that music is used, we use it to even calm him down. So something we found out that yes, music is a strength and memory is something that he learns quickly. So we had to give him continuous stimulation so that he keeps learning new things.
Okay. All right. So you found music as a great tool to introduce so many things in him.
Yes.
Yes. And yeah, during the initial days, he would come crying, and when we used to play a song, he would know settle down very easily.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
very good to know. All right. So that's a great tip. And over to the next question, Nathan. How was his school, Angels Paradise Academy, a contributor to his interest?
So that it is a great contributor because Ahan is a very shy child. He is less social and he takes time to adjust in any new environment. So where the kids of his age were playing with other friends, Ahan preferred to play alone, even at the park. So
Right.
we were very worried, and choosing a right school for him was very challenging. So after a lot of trials, we spoke to many schools. So when we came to Angels Paradise, there was a positivity because when we discussed our concern with the Angels Paradise team, all the inputs were taken positively. And of course, the teachers, even you, Ramya, ma'am, I remember I used to come and tell
Yes.
you, I used to give you all the inputs about Ahan, and you took it so positively. The teachers, the maushis, everyone came together actually to help Ahan adjust in the new environment. So from temperament wise, yes, the school understood Ahan's temperament, and not even one school came to me and said that we are trying, but Ahan is crying, Ahan is not adjusting. In turn, at the PTMs, many times Gulab ma'am boosted that confidence in me that don't worry, ma'am, he will settle down, but he's attentive, he has a good observation skill, he is learning. So from temperament, ma'am, we were literally stress free that now Ahan is at the safe hands.
Right.
Second point about his learning. Um, yes, we started his early learning thing. Actually relating those learnings at the school. He was actually connecting the dots there, telling us that he learned this thing in the school. During online classes, we observed tremendous changes in Ahan because he started enjoying those activities. For example, the concepts like which we, are submitted to India Book of Records, the flags, sign language, Hindi language, interest in French language, all these he developed. It started from school only because I still remember the day when Yashashri ma'am spoke about India flag during 15th August. Ahan was so excited to learn about India flag that he wanted us to tell us more about the flag, and that's how we introduced him other flags of the other flag country flags, even for the sign
Okay.
language. So when teacher taught him sign language for red color, he started asking that. It generated the curiosity among him that inside him, that what is for yellow, then what is for green, and that's how we taught him the sign language for other colors. So definitely, for the personality wise and for the learning wise, Angel Paradise has been a great, we are so glad that we took this decision, and it is a solid contributor towards Ahan's learning. We are so happy with our
Wow,
decision.
it's so heartening to know that we could at least play a small part in igniting this spark of language and knowledge and learning. It's very heartening to know. Thank you. And
Thank you, ma'am.
over to the next question, Nanothan. What methodologies did you use to teach Ahan apart from music that you mentioned? Is there anything like a visual trigger or anything that you would put in front of him to help him learn better?
Okay.
What would you do?
When it comes to method, ma'am, we did not use one single method. But yes, as a parent, me and my husband, we were both were very observant about Ahan to understand that which method he is positively responding. Now, let me give you example of few things that I taught Ahan and how I taught them. So, for
Okay.
example, the other day I had to teach Ahan continents. So we gave him the visual, visual aid. For example, visual method of learning. That is, showed him the YouTube video of the continents. Ahan did not like. He did not show the interest. We kept it aside. So I created a song for continent myself, and I used to sing that song before bedtime daily for 2 to 3 days. Fourth day,
Okay.
Ahan remembered that particular song. Now I wanted Ahan to also understand the concept of continent. So then after that, again I showed him the video. And then this time he liked the video. He saw the video. He actually connected the dots. So there are methods that I'm using.
Right.
Second example is Spanish alphabets. I wanted to learn Spanish alphabets. So what we did, we again showed him the video. He loved the video. He wanted to see it repeatedly. But then we stopped the video. We found that song and we played it on the audio at the background. At home, whenever he is doing his regular activities, playing toys or having meals, again, he listened to that song for like 4 to 5 days. Then me and my husband, we took a book. We started reading the alphabets in Spanish language. We did not ask
Okay.
Anand to join. Please come and read with us. We did not do that. We let him observe us. One day he picked up the book and he started reading alphabets in Spanish language.
Wow. Okay.
So he's actually enjoying this process. We do not want to force him, or we do not want him to make him sit at one place and learn this. No,
Right.
either we are using different methods. Now there was fruits and vegetables which I wanted to teach Ahan, but Ahan was not responding to the video, not to the audio, not to the song that I created for him. So we got a book, and we got a coloring book, and through that coloring book he learned his fruits and vegetables. So we understood, okay, now books is also something he's using to learn. Then was logos. Now logos thing is, one day I wore a t-shirt which had written Adidas. He asked me, what is this? I told him Adidas. I forgot about it. Next day, few days later, we went to a mall and he saw Adidas logo there. He said, with excitingly screamed, see, look, Adidas. That's how then I thought that, look, he's observing. So we used to take him for a walk in the parking, and we started with car logos. We used to show him the logos on the car. He started identifying car logos. Then we prepared a PPT of the logos and made him learn logos. This is how I taught him logos.
Okay. Wow.
So then solar system. Solar system, again, he did not respond to the video, audio, song I created, book. So we got a chart. We pasted it on the wall, and quickly he picked up from the chart. He learned the solar system. So these are the things we kept trying, because we wanted Ahan to be in a comfort zone and support us, cooperate us. We do not want him to force and get things done. So we
Right.
identified which particular area he's liking, which medium he is liking, and we use that medium for him.
Okay.
Also, Yeah, so then we used whiteboard also. Shapes he learned on the whiteboard. Then there was spellings. Now he's 4 year old, and we want him to teach spellings. So when he was 1 year old, what we used to do is we used to address everything with the shape and color. And get that yellow color round shape ball. Get that
Okay.
cylindrical shape red color water bottle. So this is
Okay.
how he learned his shapes and colors quickly. We are using the similar strategy to teach him spellings. So when I tell him that, Ahan, please get me RED, red color pencil. Please
Okay.
eat your MEL meal. Please, STOP, stop. So this is how. Now what has happened? He's also when he also reads or when he also has to instruct us, he use spellings.
Oh wow, it's amazing to know. It's a great tips actually, Nutan. I would say. I mean, you gathered cues from his learning curve, and then you have basically tried to devise so many things for him that would help him learn better. It's really amazing. It requires a lot of patience and intuitive mindset, and it's really nice to know. Great.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yeah.
another part was the revision, because revision is something. Also, one thing we observed that Ahan will not learn anytime during the day. When he's active, when he wants to play,
Okay.
that is the wrong time for me to choose him to actually teach him anything. So
Right.
he likes to learn when he's relaxing, he's little exhausted. When me and my husband we are having some family time, that time, that is from 9 o'clock in the night, 9 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. is our time where we have done all this teaching,
Oh
where
wow.
we do our
Okay.
revisions, we do our new learning, we walk through him through the PPTs, charts. So at that time, he's little less active, he's attentive, and he's happy that me and his father both are, we as a family, we're sitting together and doing that activity.
Yes, yes. Maybe the together time away from gadgets that you three are spending together, maybe he's looking forward to it and it's bringing us positive impact in him.
Correct.
Good to
And
know
for the
that.
revisions also, we are using a method like in the school when Yashashri ma'am starts with a prayer, then a rhyme, then something. Similar way we also follow for the revision,
Okay.
so that
Okay.
he is also he can connect it with the school. So even when we do our revisions, we start with prayer, we start with a rhyme, then we do phonic sounds, then we do some numbers, then we do some activities. So similar thing we also do during our revisions. So then he enjoys the revision part. Now it has been such a habit for us that without revision none of us can sleep.
Okay.
It has to be there.
That's lovely.
So
That's a lovely routine to include in your daily life. Very good to know that. Very
and
good.
another area of teaching him, ma'am, was giving him extra information. For example, anything, if we buy him a toy, before we hand it over to him, it's me or my husband. We will actually open that toy and we talk about that toy a lot. We give him information about that toy so that they have a tendency to open the toy and then throw it, break it. So
Right.
we usually give him the information of the toy. For example, I have this toy with me. This is Ahan's favorite toy.
Okay.
This one. So
Okay.
when we explain this toy to Ahan, that it has a foam, it has hexagon shapes here, it has a battery at the back, and then it has a LED light inside. So when he understands the mechanism, he loves the toy. Now he also
Okay.
knows that, and it has been an habit into him that whenever he gets a toy, he tries to analyze it. Okay, where is the battery? Where is it? How it is getting operated? So we gave him some extra information.
That's a great insight. Truly inspiring, actually. Very
Thank you
nice.
so much, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. And what is the next question? What would be your tips on healthy eating habits for children? Because it's a very important factor for their mental and physical growth. So I'm sure you would be taking care of those aspects also. So if you'd like to share that with us.
Sure, ma'am. And we are not doing anything different. We are also, like any other parents, we also focus on giving him healthy meals. But what differently I've been doing is right from his age of 2, we started giving him his first food in the morning is Panchamrut.
Okay.
Because somehow the Panchamrut helps in the mental and the brain development. This is what even I took when I conceived, and this is what I was advised to do. And I continued that for Ahan also. also. So even now, the first meal that he takes is the Panchamrit. So the rest is the regular meal. What other kids say, he's also a fuzzy eater. So we try to, give him the healthy food only. So
Okay. What is
for
the Panchamrit? Could you throw some light on that? I would like to know that.
Panchamrut is a five, it says the five dhatu or the mixture of five ingredients. You can get the recipe on the internet also.
Okay.
So there is a sugar, there is ghee, there is dahi, there is milk. So they and honey. So all this mixed together, we have to mix it. And if we give it first thing in the morning, it is proven to be a very healthy,
Okay.
intake. Yeah, it
Okay.
really helps in the sharpness, it helps in the alertness, it helps in keeping the child calm too. So this is I came to know about this through a doctor, and he suggested me. And
Okay.
when I conceived, but I continued this for Rahan also, and we have seen those effects of him,
Wow.
positive effects. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's something new that I've heard. Nice to know that. Yes. All right. And how can parents see? There are a lot of opportunities and platforms available these days compared to our childhood days, right? So, how what would you suggest to parents that will help them make the most of the opportunities that are available?
So only one thing that I will tell parents, that be observant. Every time the kid is trying to communicate something, there is a hidden message. Try to read that. Try to understand their interest area. Maybe some Ahan is good in learning, but Ahan is not good in painting. Ahan doesn't like coloring. So we don't force him. Okay, don't like. We encourage him, but we don't force him. So if the kid is not interested in learning, there must be some other area that kid must be good at. Maybe dancing, maybe singing, maybe some other sport. So identify that area and give stimulation in that area, and encourage your child to do,
Okay.
excel in that area, and spend quality time. Most of the time, what we do is we think that we are spending time, but we are not spending the quality time. When I mean by quality time is sit together, play with them, take interest in their toys, read to them, and do lot of laughing session. I don't know, when we teach Ahan, we are half of the time we are only smiling and laughing, and we are enjoying. That's the reason why next time when we are ready to teach new concept to Ahan says, "Mama, fun time."
Right. Right.
So that is the way you can, so basically identify your child's strength and identify your child's weakness. I know my child's weakness is that he is not social, he's afraid of crowd, and he takes time to adjust. I know my child's strength is learning. So that's the way you should, if you identify, it will help you.
Right. Okay. Great to know that. Yes. And what is Ahan's typical routine? Where and how do you find time to make him? You told me that you generally you have answered that part of my. I mean, we were even before we could come here. You told us that you use the 9 to 9:45 p.m. time because that works the best for you guys. But otherwise, what is Ahan's routine? How much does he spend on time on gadgets and stuff, or doesn't he? He doesn't see at all.
Um, Actually, for screen time, let me start. We start his day. He wakes up at around 8:30. We start his day with a music,
Okay.
because again it helps him to calm down. There is the first thing when he wakes up, we give him a lot of positive talk. Positive talk means we tell him that Mama Papa loves you. You are an intelligent boy. You are a clever boy. You will go very far. You keep learning so good. You have so many friends. So we give this positive talks, and after that positive talk, rest of the day really goes well. And now it is a habit that we give him a positive talk. We tell him that we are there for you and we love you and everyone in the school loves you. So we give this positive talk. After that, during the breakfast table, we actually inform him about the next planned activity. For example, if it is a school, we tell him that today we are going to learn this thing in the school. Today you are going to learn continents in the school. So let's have fun. So it mentally prepares him, so that he
Okay.
sits silently in the class and he actually focus on the class. Rest of the day he has a toy time, book time. There is a park time, 2 hours in the evening. We go to the park daily. We ensure the physical activity is done. After that, then there's a dinner time, then our revision time, and we are off to bed. But
Okay.
10 minutes, at least 10 minutes throughout the day, there are that we listen to om chanting, or we listen to some meditation music that helps for us, good for his mental health.
Okay, so the way we kind of plan on a diary how a day would turn out to be, you kind of give him a brief of that in the beginning of the day, so he can expect what he's going to look forward, right?
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
We also introduced him that bell method, the bell fun method. We got a bell for Rahan. We hanged it on a wall. And whenever there was a next activity plan, we would ring that bell and make an announcement, lunchtime. So Ahan would understand it is a lunchtime. Then
Wow.
again, we would ring that bell and make an announcement, reading time. So he knew that it was a reading time for Ahan. So we did this for a week. Like after that, Ahan will only used to only go and ring it and make the announcement for himself. So what has happened, because it will help the child to shift from one activity to another softly, smoothly. He will not get confused. Now I'm playing with my toy. Now she's asking me to read. So this bell method helped us to actually understand him the time management.
Okay, so that requires a lot of planning from your end also. I mean to say that you have to plan your day very well so that
Yes.
his day doesn't get disrupted, right? I mean, that's a
Yes,
lot
this
of
bell method helped us because me and my husband, we both are working. So there was a time where Ahan has to play alone. There is no one to accompany
right.
him because me and my husband are working. So there is a time where I will be with him. There is a time where his father will be with him. So through this bell method, he knows that this is the time when he has to play alone, and
Oh,
this is a time where Mama will join him.
wow.
So that's how we try to organize. Of course, it sounds very good, but at times Ahan is cranky. He doesn't support. But then we
Yes.
have to understand their temperament also because they are.
Right, right. Children love routine a lot. I mean, when there is a set pattern to their day, they really love it a lot. So, yeah, that's a great insight, Nutan. Thanks for the tip. And over to the next question. How did you approach this organization, India Book of Records? And secondly, we have one of our audience who's asking us, how do we apply to India Book of Records? If you have any idea on that.
Sure. Okay. When we came to know about India Book, actually we had never planned anything that we will go and we will teach Ahan because we want to enroll him to India Book of Records. It just happened that I came across India Book of Record on a social media, and we contacted. I went to their website. I understood the entire process. The process was that we have to register to their website. Then they will give us a 7 days of window in which we
Oh,
have to send them the evidences. Now, the evidences has to be a video which has to be clear, which has to be there should be no prompting, and we should not help a child. He should do it independently. So we knew that this was the process for that. We also called them and checked the process. There was a registration fee. So once you within this 7 days window, when you submit the evidences, they will send you an email of approval. So if they are approving your videos or not, and if they find any discrepancy, they will come back to you. So once they approve, they will ask you to pay the registration fee, and that after that they will courier you your medal and certificate, that entire India Book of Pack.
wow. It would have been a real proud moment for you and your family and his grandparents, right? I can
Yes.
visualize that already. Very nice. Okay, and how about this India Book of Records? Is there something that we can look up to for the information regarding India Book of Records?
India
Yes.
Book of India Book of Records. I mentioned that it is registered by the government on their website. The entire details are given. They also have an official Facebook page where they keep posting the records of the kids. There are different categories basically under India Book of Records. So Ahan was registered under Young Achiever category. So
Okay.
and also they have an official book which they release every year, and in that they publish the article of the person who has won the award.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if anyone wants to register to the India Book of Record, I would suggest that they can go to the website and check
Okay.
the details. There is also a toll number through which we can give them a call and understand the process. The process
Okay.
is very simple. We just have to fill a form within 7 days, send the evidences, and we are done.
Done. Okay. Great to know that. Thank you. And what are your plans for Ahan in the future?
Ma'am, it's too early to make any plan. We are just decided to go with the flow because Ahan is now showing interest in learning. So it is our responsibility to continuously stimulate him by giving him information and helping him learn. As of now, we have not planned anything. We will continue to observe and identify his strengths, and we will motivate him to go further. That's it. There is no specific plan.
Our wishes to him that he keeps shining like this forever and ever.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
And he does he I mean, you told me that he enjoys all this. My question was, does he enjoy doing these activities? You have answered us that you have various techniques to keep him to make him enjoy these activities, and he's very happy learning this, right? And you
Yeah.
don't pressurize him at all to sit down and stuff. All
Yeah.
right, so yeah, that question you've already answered to us. And then now,
Yes.
what would be your advice to parents who wish to train their children this way?
Okay, the advice again, I would come to the same point is that spend quality time, identify your kids' interest area. That is the main thing. If you wish to train, also identify which is the time when they are active and they are ready to learn. So, for example, for Ahan, it was opposite. When he's exhausted, he wants to learn. So, identify that time when they are open, when they are cooperative. First, there may be situation that the child will not cooperate. It happened with us also when we wanted to record for India Book of Records. Ahan was doing everything, but he did not wanted to record. Actually, come in front of the camera. So we had to do a lot of work for that. First, I used to record. I used to show him my video. Then we used to record him. So there may be chances that the kids will reject the idea. They will not cooperate. They will start hating you also for that purpose. Don't get discouraged. Be consistent. Have your schedule. Have 1 hour, half an hour daily time for your dedicated for your learning. And it would be good if both the parents join in, work as a team, and teach the kid, so the kid enjoys that company.
Yes,
So this
great
is
tips
the
for
small advice.
parenting. Right. All right. So now, with the success, right, that Ahan might see, there can be some setbacks also, So how can the parent, I mean, what would you suggest for parents to keep them motivated throughout? Because there can be peer pressure, there can be so many things as he grows. Now he is mostly in your hands, but once he grows, not only Ahan, I would say children of his age, they'll come under a lot of peer pressure. They might get diverted. Their interest will not be the same anymore, even though they will have the capacity to. So
Correct.
what would you do to keep him motivated?
I think the success thing is that I think we personally we should not only feel that okay, now Ahan has got India Book of Record and we have achieved everything. I think that attitude itself will be wrong on our part, because when we get that, the child will also get it.
Yeah.
So we never I try my level best to never showcase that, and you have already learned this from me, don't pay attention in the class. You know your continents. When teacher is teaching you continent, don't pay attention. It's okay if you miss the class. No, we equally sit with him and we tell him to concentrate in the class. We always tell him that there is always new things to learn. There are new opportunities to learn. Keep learning. So I feel for success or failure, they are still very small, to understand that. It is us, the parents, who have to understand this concept. We should encourage our child to participate. Winning is not important. For us also, winning is not important. You participate. Even if you fail, it's okay. We will be still proud of you. But you
Right.
participate. But you, at least take interest. It's okay if you don't like it, fine, then leave it. But try. Don't, quit without trying. So these are the things that we try to follow, me and my husband and our
Yeah.
try to follow.
Small life lessons that you're trying to inculcate in him from a
Yes.
very young age. Very nice to know that, Nutan. I mean, being such young parents, I'm really happy to see how much thought you've put behind raising your child. It's really amazing to know that. I mean,
Thank,
getting to know so many things this way, right? Amazing.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Nutan, for coming over, sharing so many informative things. I think there are many appreciations from the audience too for all the wonderful tips that you've given. And we wish Ahan and you the very best of luck. I'm sure Ahan will grab many such accolades in the future. And
Sure.
yes, very best of luck to you all. Thank you, everyone. We will see you back next time in yet another enriching Joy of Parenting episode. Until then, it's goodbye and take care, all of you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you, ma'am. Now, ma'am, the link for the India Book of Record is in the chat.
All right.
If anyone would want to. And thank you so much. It was a great opportunity for me to share the experience, and I'm so glad that we are a part of Angels Paradise
Thank
Academy,
you.
and it has really helped us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Nutan. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.
Same here. Yeah. Bye.